Alright, so guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today is going to be a trade recap. We're going to recap the trade that I took this morning during the New York market open session. Alright, so coming to the day, I marked out my previous day low and previous day high over here, and I was pretty bullish for today's morning. I was pretty bullish. We came back, swept this 4-hour fair value gap. So we came back, swept this imbalance over here and filled it, and straight up displaced higher at 2 a.m. so during the London session. After that, I scaled down to the 2 hours, see if there's any gaps that were being respected, and we're still respecting these 2-hour gaps over here. So I scaled down over again. We had an inverse fair value gap just over here on the 30-minute time frame. So I knew we were going to go higher today, at least to the all-time highs. So came back on the 15 minutes, came back, retested on this gap, inside this gap, and at the same time we created an SMT at the lows over here. So ES did sweep it, but NQ didn't. So we have our SMT, and if I scale down again, 5 minutes, you can see over here I average on the 5 minutes, and on the 1 minute we have an entry point over here. I entered at 940, I think, yeah, 940. We have our IVG, and that was my entry over here. I was targeting the all-time highs as a full TP, and for my break even, it was at these swing highs over here. So once we swept it, I went break even, and I was risk free on the trade. I ended up making around 1600 on this trade, and I passed my Lucid Flexible on this trade too. So yeah, that was a pretty solid trade. We can go up. Yeah, so that's it. Price ended up going higher though, but whatever. I took my profits and I'm happy with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.